Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to multiply integers. So we're going to be working with both positive and negative numbers here. We'll go through some examples together, and then I'll give you some practice problems that you can try on your own to see if you have this down. Now, when it comes to multiplying integers, we need to keep two things in mind. If a multiplication problem has two integers with the same signs, our product, our answer, will be positive. If a multiplication problem has two integers with different signs, our product will be negative. Let's jump into number one and see what this looks like. We have 6 times negative 3. Notice we have different signs here. A positive times a negative. That means our answer will be negative. So all we need to do here is think 6 times 3 is 18. And since we have different signs, this is negative 18. 6 times negative 3 equals negative 18. And that's it. A positive times a negative equals a negative. Moving on to number 2, we have negative 8 times negative 4. We have the same signs here. A negative times a negative. That means our answer will be positive. So all we need to do is think 8 times 4, which is 32. And again, since we have the same signs, a negative times a negative, this is a positive 32. Negative 8 times negative 4 equals 32. A negative times a negative equals a positive. Moving on to number 3, we have 5 times 15. So we have the same signs here, a positive times a positive. That means our answer will be positive. Now 5 times 15 equals 75. A positive times a positive equals a positive. Lastly, for number 4, we have negative 9 times 7. We have different signs here. A negative times a positive. That means our answer will be negative. So all we need to do is think 9 times 7, which is 63. And since we have different signs, this is negative 63. Negative 9 times 7 equals negative 63. A negative times a positive equals a negative. So there you have it. There's how to multiply integers. And now that we've gone through some problems together, it's time for you to try some practice problems on your own. So have paper and a pencil ready. So here are your practice problems. I'll give you 3 minutes and then we will go over the answers. Feel free to pause if you need more time or jump ahead to the answers whenever you are ready. Go ahead and start. Okay, so that was 3 minutes. Let's go over the answers. So here are our answers. For number 1, we have 66. For number 2, 81. For number 3, negative 12. For number 4, negative 35. For number 5, 100. And then lastly, for number 6, negative 16. So there you have it. There's how to multiply integers. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.